Hi, boys and girls. Please write your name at the top of your paper. This week, we are working with phonograms. We are working with phonograms ild, ind, old, olt, and ost. Remember, a phonogram is a series of letters that make one sound. The first phonogram that we're going to work with today is most. Ost. So with your pencil, please write most. Ost. Most. Then I will write with a crayon. Oh, actually, let's go back. I want us to underline the phonogram. Ost. Most. Don't forget to underline that phonogram. And now with a marker, I'm going to write most one more time. Ost. And there's that phonogram ost. Our next word that we're going to do is bolt. B-olt. Bolt. With my pencil. B-olt. Bolt. Underlining that phonogram. Crayon. B-olt. And with marker, B-olt. Bolt. Remember, underline that phonogram so we know what we're focusing on this week. All right, our next word is sold. Old. Old. Sold. And there's the phonogram old. With crayon. Old. Old. And now with marker. Old. Sold. Please remember to underline that phonogram. If I'm going too fast, remember you can pause the video. The next phonogram we're going to work with is ind. The word is blind. B-ol-ind. Blind. B-ol-ind. Now with crayon. B-ol-ind. Phonogram ind. And marker. B-ol-ind. Blind. Our next word has the phonogram ild, as in wild. W-ild. 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 Wild. And then with marker, W-ild. Please remember to underline the phonograms. Our next word has the phonogram ost. The word is post. P-ost. P-ost. Underlining the phonogram. Please pause the video and write with crayon and marker. Our next word has the phonogram olt. The word is colt. A baby horse is called a colt. K-olt. Phonogram olt. Please pause the video and write colt with crayon and marker. Our next phonogram we're working with is old, like in the word gold. G, old. G, old. Underlining the phonogram old. Please pause the video and finish with crayon and marker. Our next phonogram is eind in the word find. Eind. Eind. Phonogram eind. Please pause and write with crayon and marker. And our last phonogram is ild, as in child. Ch-ild. Ch-ild. Child. Please pause and finish in crayon and marker. Okay, my friends, when you're finished, go ahead and turn your paper over. Please write your name at the top of your paper. Our directions today say, find a word that best fits the sentence. And you can see in our word bank, we have words with phonograms. We have kind, find, mind, behind. All those words have the eind phonogram. Then we have fold, cold, gold, and sold. The bottom row all have the old phonogram. So our first sentence says, there is blank in my chest. Ooh, like a treasure chest. I know that there is gold found in treasure chests, and I like to cross off the word once I've used it, so I stay organized. My next sentence says, did you blank my key? What word do you think would go best in that sentence? Did you kind my key? No. Did you fold my key? No. Did you find my key? Ooh, yes. Find. And I also like to take the time to highlight my phonograms. I forgot to do that with gold, with my old. My next sentence says, I will blank the paper so I can mail it. So when we have a piece of paper, what do we need to do with it before we put it in an envelope to mail it? That's right, we need to fold it. Fold. And there's that old phonogram. And I like to cross off fold once I use it to stay organized. My next sentence says, it is good to be blank to others. It is good to be cold to others. It is good to be mind to others. It is good to be behind to others. No. Ooh, what about this one? It is good to be kind to others. Yes, that sentence makes sense. Kind. Kind. And I'm going to color my eind phonogram. And cross it off when I'm done. So you can see we have 4 more words in our word bank. Our 5th sentence says, I don't blank to help you. I don't cold to help you. I don't mind to help you. I don't behind to help you. Or I don't sold to help you. Which one makes sense? That's right, mind. I don't mind to help you. Color that phonogram and cross off mind from my word bank. Okay, my friends, you are going to do the next 3 sentences by yourself, but don't worry, I'll read them to you first. The number 6 says, the ball is blank the chair. The ball is cold the chair. The ball is behind the chair. The ball is sold the chair. Number 7 says, we blank our house and moved. We cold our house and moved. We behind our house and moved. We sold our house and moved. And the last sentence says, it is very blank outside. I see snow. All right, my friends, finish those last 3 sentences by yourself. Please make sure your name is on your paper, turn it into the top basket, and move on to Lexia. Way to go.